We are always looking for seasonally themed activities to bring a little bit of magic to celebrate every single day. Today, we are sharing 2 brand new Valentine's Day crafts and activities for you to do with your toddlers and preschoolers. For the most magical lifestyle tips, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for a little bit of pixie dust in your YouTube feed. Last year, for Valentine's Day, Caleigh and I made a Disney-inspired Mickey/Minnie Valentine's Day wreath. I'll make sure that that gets listed here as a card and also in the description box below if you are looking for a really inexpensive and easy craft to do with younger kiddos. The first craft actually counts kind of as like a 2-for-1. We are going to make Valentine's Day Play-Doh. Now, I have never made Play-Doh. I've made cloud dough, we've made salt ornaments, and we've made our own slime. Quite a bit, but Play-Doh is a first. So we're going to walk you through the steps of how to make this, and we did make one batch and separate it into 2, so that way we could have 2 Valentine's Day colors. Overall, this was super easy. It came together very quickly, and you can customize it for almost any holiday. You're going to see the footage that Caleigh and I did while we were making this, and I wanted to be able to talk to you while we were going through these steps, but unfortunately there was a lot of construction happening across the street. So what you'll see is the footage, and then I'll be doing a voiceover so that you can see the steps of what you need and how to put this together in real time. The ingredients that you need are 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1½ cups of water, 2/3 cups of salt, 2 tablespoons cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons coconut oil, 1 tablespoon extract of your choice, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then food coloring if you'd like to color your Play-Doh. The first thing you're going to do in a mixing bowl is mix all of your dry ingredients together. So this is your flour, salt, and cream of tartar. Mix these together on a low speed until combined. Then you're going to pour in your boiling hot water slowly to incorporate it. We put ours in the microwave for about 3 minutes, and that did the trick. The next thing we did was add in the coconut oil, and this is where you could really see it come together. Then we wanted to separate the dough out so that we could use 2 colors. Before we did that, we put in our extracts and we used lemon and vanilla. The dough will be warm but easy enough to handle, so we separated ours into 2 glass bowls and then chose our food coloring. We went with a pink and red gel. So this is going to be the pink mix, and we'll do the red second. We put both of these back on the mixer to make the coloring process a little bit easier on our hands and countertops. These are the final color products. I'm really pleased with how they came out, and I'd love to show you how Caleigh uses them to play. So today, Caleigh is getting to discover the baking Valentine's Day cupcake kit. So we have here a couple of balls of Play-Doh. We have some cookie cutters. We can roll them out. You can decorate them with these hearts. We have some beads. We have some pokey things with little hearties on them. So we're just gonna see what she creates. one of the benefits of making this Valentine's Day Play-Doh, or just making Play-Doh any time of year, is that it's something that your kiddos can do while you are perhaps folding the laundry. For me, it's while I'm cooking, right, Cal? It's while I'm getting dinner ready, and tonight we're diving into a 2-hour lasagna, so I'm gonna need all the non-screen activities that I can to keep Caleigh here with me and engaged and chatting. It's just a nice way to bond at the end of a workday. We also downloaded these printables from printablesfairy.com, which I will link below. And I just put them in little laminate pouches so that I could put 2 in one. And Caleigh then spends so many hours just decorating these, however her heart feels happiest. Will you tell me in the comments, have you ever made your own Play-Doh before? I think this is something we'll probably continue to do, but let me know if you've done this or will do this in the comments below. The second activity that we have for you is a Valentine's volcano. So this is more of a science-based activity because Caleigh, she's 5, she loves science. We actually got her a science kit around Halloween. I will link that video here as well. And we'll be putting a lot of those pieces to use today in our volcano activity as well. Caleigh and I are going to do a volcano for Valentine's Day today, and we wanted to show you what we're using. So we're using this science kit, which we debuted in October for a mad science activity. This comes with so many amazing pieces. I'll link that video and the kit below. It was off of Amazon. But we're using the dropper, the little measuring cups, this guy.
I made some banana bread.
The agitator, as well as this little funnel. So we're using a lot of the pieces today. We have a bowl to mix our baking soda with our sprinkles. Now you could use glitter here as well. And of course we have vinegar and some Valentine's Day food coloring. That's right. Are you ready to get started, my little Valentine's Day scientist? Okay. We are using 3 different glass vases that we have, and we have them on this $1 pink tray that we use for basically all of Caleigh's activities. Now she has requested to use the little funnel for the smaller tops, and we'll probably just scoop in here. But the first step is that we need to get some baking soda and some sprinkles. Oh.
Put that to the side.
Some baking soda and some sprinkles mixed and agitated in this bowl. Caleigh, would you like to use one of the measurers for this? Okay. So I'll hold the measurer and then you can
But one says I want.
Yeah. These are the XOXO sprinkles. And then we have this Valentine's Day mix from last year. You want to use both? All right. So would you like, here I can twist the tops off for you. Now we're not just going to dump, right? Because and then we can stir them around.
Okay, Mama.
Would you like to agitate them? Oh, sneaky little sneakerson.
No more pieces.
Mix those up.
No more hugs.
Oh no. The experiment has become the snack. Yeah, break up those clumps in there. That's good.
Bun. They use snowball.
Yeah, little baking soda snowballs.
Okay.
I am going to be taking the white vinegar and just pouring it in here.
The whole thing?
Oh, not all of it, but.
Here you go.
Okay, so the next step, my lovey, big one first.
Yeah.
Here, so this part.
I want to go to the top.
Okay, well we don't need to fill it to the top because we have to still add the vinegar.
There.
There, okay. All right, so we'll take these two off. Now this doesn't fit here, so do you want to pour in or do you want to dribble in?
Dribble.
Okay, I'm gonna first, before we do that, I am going to see if I can mix
Food
with some
coloring.
pink food coloring.
Looks
I'm gonna
red
use
to
the
me.
dribbler to stir.
Looks red.
Kind of looks red, don't you
It's
think?
fine, okay. Well, perfect.
Reddish. I can add more.
No, that.
No?
Oh yeah, I guess.
Yeah?
Oh no, it's pink.
I wonder why it's coming out red. Maybe something in the vinegar changes the color chemistry.
That's pretty.
Yeah, it's more red, I think, than we were anticipating, but that's okay.
And I want it to be like that.
All right. Now, do you want to use the dropper? Or do you want to pour this in there?
And if I'm gonna talk about.
Oh, it kind of makes pinky bubbles. So ready. Oh! That is so much pinker than we thought it was going to be.
Can I touch it?
No. Go wash your hands.
Why?
Because it's food coloring. That is really pink. And I'm so glad we put it on a little tray. Those balls might not fit down here. There you go, that's a good idea. So for this next volcano, Caleigh has chosen my favorite vase. And maybe we'll do this one without food coloring and see what happens. So this is the last
You be the
vase that we have. All right, I'll be the shaker. Now, parents, this is definitely a messy activity, right? But I think we've made it less messy by cleaning in between each volcano, and maybe you only do one. If you could do this outside, that would be great, but it's 22 degrees outside, so we're gonna do it in the house. And we're using this little tray, which I think is helping. Uh-oh, I think something is stuck in there, bud. Mamas, we have a free Disney Princess Valentine's Day printable in the description box below if you would like to give these to your own kiddos or have your kiddo distribute these in whatever their classes look like this year or to your friends and family. So totally free. You can find that linked in the description box below. I hope you enjoyed watching Caleigh and I explore some new Valentine's Day craft and activities this year. Now, obviously, you don't have to do these just for Valentine's Day. Both of these can be adapted for any time of year, and you don't have to do them around holidays only. But we like to bring you seasonally themed activities because that's really what we're into at home as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we will see you really soon, loves. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye, everybody.